This is the Greek script. It might seem unfamiliar to you right now, but by the end of this video, you will be able to read these words. In order to do that, please follow the instructions. Number 1, repeat every letter after me. Number 2, write down every single letter. Number 3, watch this video 2 or 3 times until you can memorize these letters. The Greek alphabet has 24 letters. Each letter has a name and a sound. I'm going to tell you the name of the letter while you see it on your screen, and after that, I will say the sound of the letter. Please repeat after me. Let's start. Alpha, A. Vita, V. Gamma, G. Delta, D. Epsilon, E. Zeta, Z. Eta, I. Theta, Th. Iota, I. Kappa, K. Lambda, L. Mi, M. Ni, N. Xi, X. Omicron, O. Pi, P. Rho, R. Sigma, S. Taf, T. Ypsilon, I. Phi, F. Chi, H. Psi, Ps. Omega, O. So, as you might have noticed, we have 3 E's in the Greek alphabet: eta, iota, and epsilon. We also have 2 O's, omicron and omega. All the E's have the same sound, and the O's have the same sound too. However, there are specific spelling rules about when we should use each of these vowels. Be careful with these 3 consonants. This in Greek is vita. Do not confuse it with the English B. It sounds like V, not B. This letter is Rho, Rho. Do not confuse it with the Latin P. And finally, this letter is Chi, H. It's not Xi. Now I'm going to say all the names of the letters quickly. Alpha, Vita, Gamma, Delta, Epsilon, Zeta, Eta, Theta, Iota, Kappa, Lambda, Mi, Ni, Xi, Omicron, Pi, Rho, Sigma, Taf, Epsilon, Phi, Chi, Psi, Omega. And now I'm going to say the whole alphabet with the sounds of the letters. A, V, G, D, E, Z, I, Th, I, K, L, M, N, X, O, P, R, S, T, I, F, H, Ps, O. Can you try to read this word with the help of the alphabet? You can pause this video and think about it. Okay? So this word is the word ma. We have the letter mi and the letter alpha repeated twice. Ma, ma. How about this word? Can you read it? This is the word cafés. We have kappa and alpha combined, which sounds like ka, phi and epsilon, fe, and sigma in the end. Cafés. And one last word. We have here the word xilo, xilo, xi, ypsilon, lambda, omicron, xilo. So, here we are. If you have followed my instructions, you are now able to read and recognize the Greek letters. So this script does not look that unfamiliar anymore, right? And the more you practice, the easier it will be for you to recognize the Greek letters. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends. If you want to watch more videos like this one, you can follow our YouTube channel. And if you want to start learning Greek in an enthusiastic international environment, you should join our school GreekLearningHub.com and start learning Greek online. Thanks for watching. Τα λέμε σύντομα. Γεια!